Welcome back to class. This is math class with Mr. SOHCAHTOA. Now look at this question given to us. This question is very simple and interesting. I believe you can solve it now. I know that you can solve it. Can you try it? Okay, let's try it together. Now look at the question given to us. They say a number is made up of two digits. The sum of the digits is 11. Here we are having 11. If the digits are interchanged, the original number is increased by 9. Find the number. How do we want to solve this kind of question? Now, first thing you need to know that what is my digit? And when you are talking about a digit, what do you understand by digit? Now, in digits, when you are dealing with digits, that is where you are going to be having tenths, hundreds, units, eigenvalue, and so on and so forth like that. We are having units, we are having tenths, we are having hundreds, we are having thousands, we are having million, and so on. Now, in this area now, I'm going to make use of family as an example. Now, let me write it. We have hundred, we have tenths, and we have units. Now, look at this thing. How did I want to identify my units? How did I want to identify my tenths? And how did I want to identify my hundred? Now, do you know that we have a number? When you are talking about counting of number start from what? Start from 1 to infinity. I get it now. Now, but when you are talking about whole number is different from what? Counting of number. No, whole number and counting of number, they are the same thing. But integer is different from counting of number. Now, when you are talking about whole number is still the same thing as counting of number when you are counting from 1 to infinity. But when you are talking about integer is a number that is counting from what? Starting from 0 to what? To infinity. We are starting from 0 to infinity, and that infinity is the one that is having the positive side and the negative side. Whenever you are talking about -1, -2, +1, +2, +3, -100, +100, and 0, that means that you are dealing with what? You are dealing with integer. But whenever you are dealing with only 1 to 1 million, 1 trillion, you are dealing with whole number. Now, I believe that one is very clear. Now, when you are talking about digital number, maybe for example, they give us a question. They say 372. 372. If I want to write it in normal way, I will write 300 because my 3 is under 100. What will happen to my 7? My 7 will be under what? Under 70. I'll write 70. And my 2 will what? Is only 1. I'll write 2. Now, let me now explain to you. How did we get this thing? This 2 that you are looking at is a unit. Is when, let's assume that your family, when your daddy is still in primary school. When you are still in primary school, you are still in secondary school, and also you are still in university. We are still going to be single, whether we are having boyfriend or girlfriend. But you are what? You have not yet get married. That is what they call units. That's why whenever you are saying from number 10 to 9, they are what? They are all single. We are having 0, we are having 1, we are having 2, we are having 8, we are having 9. They are under units because they stand alone. But getting to 10, whenever you are starting from 10 to 99, they have become 2, which is what? 1 and 0 to 99. Now that is 1 and 0 to 99. That means that this one, the one that we start from, I've get married to someone. Okay, get what I'm saying now. Now in this area now, that means that when you are still what? Secondary school, primary school, university, you are not get married. You are still one person. But when you get to the stage of marriage, whenever you get to marriage, you are not standing alone. That's why they say that when 2 things come together, they become 1. Now, when you now get married now, 2 of you are not doing the same thing. That is when what? When 1 and 0 come together, they become 10. That means that what? That is when a family of Adekunle go and meet the family of Ojo. The Ojo will not bear his name again because what? He have married to Adekunle. Both of them will be bearing the same Adekunle. Hope you get what I'm saying now. But what? That Adekunle they are bearing will not be the one when he was still single. When he was still single, he's still what? Adekunle. But why? Because he has get married, he has become Mr. Adekunle. Something has attached to it. Now, normally, this one that you are looking at is 1. But because you have attached to 0, you have become 10. Am I communicating now? Now in this area now, maybe gradually a year, 2 years, 3 years, they give me what? Both of them come together and they give birth. Now giving birth now, they will add another person with them. That's when they add one person to them, they will not become untrained. In this area now, 2 is the unit. I get now. Because 7 go and marry 0, it become 10. They have become 2. After that now, they now what? They now have another child. They have their firstborn. They become 3 in the house. That's what gradually like that. Am I communicating now? Now, for what we are going, let's continue. That means that they now say 2-digit number. That means I'm going to be using solution. I'm going to be using tenths and units. Tenths and units. I get it now. Now, they now say a number is made up of 2 digits, which is tenths and units. These are my 2 digits. Now, if I want to start my tenths, my units, I can start from 0 to 9. But if I want to start my tenths, I'll start from what? From 10 to 99. I get it now. That means that here I'm going to write, let me say tenths, 0, 1. I've already get my tenths. Now, how did I want to get my units? My units now, I cannot pick 0. Why? Because if I say that I should pick 0. Any number that is multiplied or anything that is multiplied by 0 will give me nothing. Am I communicating? Any number that is multiplied by 0 will give me nothing. That means that if I should put 0 as my unit, again now, that means that what? That means that the question will not tell me that I'm having 2-digit number. It will tell me that there is a number made up of tenths. Tenth digits. Again, you not say that 2 digits. When you say that 10 digits, I have already know that they are dealing with tenths, not units. But because you say that 2 digits, that means that they are dealing with both tenths and units. Am I communicating now? Now in this area now, that means that I will not start from 0. The next number that will come to my mind, because you now start from 1. That means that they will not start from 1 to 9. Again now, in this area now, I will not pick 1 as my first number, which means that I will not say, which is 11. Again now, but we are not dealing like that. They say a number is made up of what? Of 2-digit number. That's number 1. Now they are say, if the sum of what? The sum of the digits is 11. Now, I believe that you have understand how we are using tenths and units now. Now, in this area now, what are the next thing you are going to do? I'll now say, let the digit number be x and y, because already I have not know it, but I just use tenths. That want to explain that okay, when you are talking about 2-digit number, that means that they are dealing with tenths and units. Again now, but I did not know exactly whether it's 10 I'm going to use, whether it's 99, whether it's 20, because in this 10 digit number, we having 11, we having 12, we having 13. Am I communicating now? We having 88, but I don't know the one exactly I'm going to use. I get what I'm saying now, but whenever I want to talk now, that means that whenever you are dealing with your tenth, that means that I'm dealing with 2 numbers. Whenever I'm dealing with units, I'm dealing with what? One number. Which means that and they not tell me the exact what I'm going to use. Whether it's 0, whether it's 1, whether it's 8, whether it's 9. But I know that from 0 to 9 is my unit. My unit will come from that place. And from 10 to 99, my tenth also will come from that place. Hope you are getting what I'm saying now. Now let's continue. Are you getting it now? And I say let the 2-digit number be x and y. That is. And I say that is. Now in this area now, the 2-digit number, I'll now say okay, let this my x multiply the first tenth. Again now, because I'm having tenths and units. Again now, and I've taken a 2-digit number. Now say let my x here, let this tenth be x. I get it 10 colon represent the x. Let y represent by what? By unit. And I say 10x plus plus what? Plus 1y. I believe you understand here. That if we want to start, now some people will be surprised that how did I get 10 here? How did I get 1? Don't be surprised. Normally, I don't know my digit number. I get now. But if I want to start, maybe I want to start my 10s, the first number I will first call is what? Is 10. I cannot jump to 88. I cannot jump to 99. No. That is my first number. My first number will be what? Will be 10th. I get now. But if they are telling me that what? I should use 3 digit number, maybe I'm thinking of the first number I'm going to use is 100. Normally, in this unit also, some people will be surprised. Okay, yes, now when you are using 10 here, we're supposed to use 0. Yes, normally. But if I should put a 0 here, I will not be able to prove that I'm having 2 digit number. Am I communicating? That's why I'm thinking of 1. That okay, if my 1 is, if I should pick 1 here now, I can know that yes, in this area now, I can prove that I'm having 2 digits of number. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Now in this area, that's why I'm now having 1. If I now say 10 times what? 10 times x, I will have 10x plus 1 times 1 will give me y. Am I communicating? Now after I solve that one, the question now, I will now move forward. The last say the sum of the what? Of the digits is 11. That is one is special. We are still going down. Now let's come. We have said this one. We have still come to that place. And I say if the digits are what? Are interchanged. If the digits are interchanged and the original number is increased by what? By 9. Find the number. Now in this area now, they now say that if the digits are interchanged, if I now say okay, I have done this one now, let me now interchange this one. Let me now say okay, I assume that let my x be under 10 and my y be under unit. Okay, let me now assume that and I say my what? My 10 be y and my unit be what? Be x. I interchange it. That means that now I now say then 10y plus what? Plus x. I believe that you know how to get x plus 9. How did I get 9? They say that what? The original number is what? Is increased by 9. That means that what? This one what? The one with the what? The original one. And which one is the original one? Whether I pick this one. Do you know that this one and also this one is just a suggestion? Again now, I'm still suggesting whether I want to pick this one or I want to pick this one. I've not known the what? The real one. I've not known the real number. But I'm still suggesting that which one can go. Am I communicating now? Now in this area, okay, I'm still suggesting now. And I say, let me now make this one as my original. Or you can make this one as your original. Anyone you like. Now, okay, let me make this one as my original. Plus 9. I increase it by plus 9. But if they say it's decreased by 9, that means that I will now say what? Minus 9. Am I communicating now? Now, in this area now, I will now say, therefore, writing this one by saying that 10x plus y is equal to what I'm getting here in the second one, 10y plus x plus 9. Am I communicating now? Now, after that, I will now say, okay, what is the next thing? The next thing will now be collecting the like times. How did I want to collect the like times? That means that the one that is having x will come and marry x. The one that is having y will come and marry y. And the one that is standing alone will stand alone. Now, let me now tell you something. Now, here now, I'm going to be having 10x. Now, here now, I'm having my 10x. I've bring it. Now, but I'm having x in the other side. But there's something that is blocking it, which is equal to. I always tell my students that what? Whenever you're having a x in other side, maybe for example now, your sister just call your mom. Oh, hello mom, please. I want my younger brother to come and celebrate Christmas for me. To come from the village, to come and celebrate in this town. Yes, that is very right. You are going to be happy. But the day you leave your village and come to the town, your character will change. The behavior that you are doing in the village before, when you are getting to the town, it will be different. Okay, you do not understand that one. Let me make another example. Now, when you are in a school before, and your mother now locate to another place, You now say, oh, sometimes you are not going to that school again. You are not going to another school. The first day you are getting to that school, you do it like a gentle boy. Why are you doing like that? Because your character has changed. You have not known your level in that area. That means that, yeah, I'm having plus x here. When it cross to the other side, because of this is equal to, it will become minus x. He having a positive direction, but because he have changed his location, he have become a negative somebody. I get it now. After that, I'll now say plus y. This my y will come down. Also here now, do you know that there's no any sign here? Whenever you are seeing something that is there's no sign there, that means that you are having positive y. You are having positive sign here. Okay, now let me make another example on that so that it can be very clear. Now, okay, someone just come and meet me and say that, oh, bro SOHCAHTOA, Mr. SOHCAHTOA, you not have a spirit. I'll be wondering. Oh no, okay, let me make use of shadow. Someone just come and meet me and say, Mr. SOHCAHTOA, I don't think that you have you have a shadow. I will be smiling. I will not ask, why do you say that? Because what? Whenever you are moving up and down, I do not find your shadow. I will not say that because there is what? Whenever you are seeing me moving, I'm not what? The light or the sun is not shining on me. Whenever the night or the sun is shining upon my light, upon me now, you see that what? My shadow will transparent. There's a someone that what? All these rich people, they always come from AC inside AC. From AC inside AC. They will not now be feeling how the sun is. They don't know the feeling how the heat is. I get now. But someone that have already inside heat, I get now, they will not be different. Hope you are getting what I'm saying now. Someone that always shrek, I get now, always shrek, always be inside the sun. We know that, oh, I'm having a shadow. Or anybody that's always move, where there's always light, you know that I'm having. That means that what? I'm also having a shadow. But because I'm not always living or move where there's what? There's light. That's why you're not able to see my shadow. Am I communicating now? Now that's me that here now, whenever you are seeing, there's nothing here. I cannot say that this number is not having a sign. It's having a sign, but I cannot see it. It's having a positive sign. And if the positive sign cross the other side, it will become minus 10y. Now I will not leave this 9 alone. Why am I leaving that 9? Because what? It do not have any letter, any alphabet. Again now, it will stand alone, which is equal to what? It's equal to 9. Hope you get what I'm saying now. Now in this area, let's what? Let's do the next thing. I'll now say 10. 10x minus x. Do you know that this x that you are looking at also is having a what? A number that we cannot see. I always tell my students that what? From A to Z, A to Z always have a number. And what is that number? That number is 1. No matter anything you multiply by 1, you always get that thing back. Any number that you have multiplied by 1, you always what? You always get the number back. They call it inverse. What is the inverse? Under what? Under addition. Under addition, the inverse is 0. Under multiplication, the inverse is 1. Am I communicating now? Now here now, I'm having 1, which is 10x minus 1x. We give me what? We give me 9x. Now also, 10. Y plus y minus what? Minus 10y. We give what? We give me minus 9y is equal to 9. What is the next thing I will now do now? I will now say divide. Because this is 9, this is 9, this is 9. Divide all through. Divide through by 9. Hope you get what I'm saying now. I've said divide through by 9. I'm now going to be having 9x divided by 9 minus 9y divided by 9 is equal to 9 divided by 9. My answer will now be what? X minus y is equal to 1. Equation 1. Because this question that they are giving to us, they want us to make use of simultaneous equation. This question is under what problem? A simultaneous equation, a y question. Now, how did I want to generate my equation 1? I've generated my equation 1 now. How did I solve it? By using all this kind of method. Now, I've got my equation 1. How did I want to get my equation 2? I told you the other time that was, you should explain this one. They say the sum of what? The sum of the two-digit number, digital is 11. And what is my digital number? The two-digit. My two-digit number is what? X and Y. Which means that the sum will not be, that is, X plus Y is equal to 11, equation 2. Am I communicating now? Now, after you have done that now, what is the next thing we are going to do? Now, I will not say, oh, sorry. Okay, yes. I will not connect the word, two equations together, which is x minus y is equal to 1 and what? X plus y is equal to 11. I'm going to be using now under when they give you a question under simultaneous equation, we have three methods you are going to use. Whether you are using substitution method, elimination method, or graphical method, you can pick any equation. You are still going to get your answer. But here, to make it very easy for me, I'm going to be using elimination method. Again now when you are dealing with elimination method, I'll do it like this. Now, which one did I want to eliminate? I can eliminate my x, I can eliminate my y, I can pick any one I like. Now, if I should eliminate my y, my x, I want to eliminate my x. When you are talking about elimination, it means what? To take something away, to remove, to eliminate it, to take it away. I don't want to see it anymore. Now, to eliminate my what? My x now, what am I going to do? That means that I must introduce a sign that will make me to eliminate it again. For example, now I want to be fighting with my friend. I don't want to play with my friend anymore. That means that what? There must be something that always connects us together that I'm going to break. If I should break that thing, there will not be any connection between us anymore. And I get what I'm saying now. Now in this area now, if I should say I want to eliminate my what? My x, that means that I will introduce negative sign. That means that x minus x, I'm going to get 0. I have eliminated it. But if I say I want to eliminate my y, that means that the sign I'm going to apply here with what? Will be plus, which is minus y plus y will give me 0. Because whenever I want to eliminate, the number I want to use to eliminate must give me a 0 sign. Am I communicating now? Now, for example, now, if I want to eliminate my y now, I'll use the sign of plus. Now, x plus what? X plus x will give me what? Will give me so x. Now, how do I want to do this one? I will now write it like this. The meaning of this is what? When you're having minus y, this plus will come. And we're having plus y inside bracket, plus y is equal to now. Okay, I'll now say minus y. The meaning of this bracket is stand for multiplication. Plus times plus will give me plus. I believe you know understand that one. If you don't know understand, comment so that I can go away again. Comment in the word in the video so that I can explain how we arrive to that place. Plus times plus will give me what? Will give me plus. And this now I'm having 1 here. 1 times y will give me y. Minus y plus y will give me 0. That means that here will not be what? Will be plus is 0 is equal to, if I add it together, I'm going to get what? I will get 12. 1 plus 11 will give me 12. Now, after that now, what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'll now say that is 2x will be equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. This will cancel. And you know, 2 here 1, 2 here 6. That means my x is equal to 6. Now, after I get my x to become to 6 now, I'll now say put x is equal to 6 into equation. Let me say equation 1. I can pick equation 1. I can pick equation 2. Okay, I pick equation 2 now. Can you see now? I pick equation 2. Now, and what is the formula for my equation 2? My equation 2 says that x plus y is equal to 11. Which means that what? I will not say anywhere I see x, I will put 6 there. 6 plus y is equal to 11. That means that I will not say y is equal to, when this one cross the other side, it will not be 11 minus 6. Please, if you don't understand how this things become negative, drop your comments so that I can explain that one in the next class. Again now drop your comments. Now here now I have y is equal to what? Now 6 minus 11. What is my answer? I want you to drop your comments. Yes, now drop your comments. Oh yeah, now oh yeah. You know how to drop your comments now. Please try to drop your comments. Now, if you minus it now, I'm going to get 5. My answer here will be 5. That means that the two-digit number I'm looking for is what? Is 6 and 5. Please, I will love if you can subscribe and see more classes. I believe you enjoyed this class. See you in the next class. Thank you.